Here's a Canon EOS 1. EOS 1N. Sounds pretty similar. EOS 1V. It's a little quieter, a little different sound. And EOS 3. I'm going to run the same test with the same cameras in the same order. This time using the Power Drive Booster PBE2, and it's got the NPE2 battery pack. Here's the EOS 1. It's going to be a little louder. EOS 1N, a little louder again. The EOS 1V, which was a little quieter than with the regular battery pack, is now quite loud again. It's 10 frames per second. The EOS 3 is also a little loud with the Power Drive Booster.